Look at this place. Which one were one American, 75 years of age. And he had some stories. First of all, we all got impressed that he gonna do the whole Camino, 75 years of age. I hope I will be able to do it in that age also. Like, that's probably the best way to spend your getting into 80s, doing the Camino again, a second time this route. Happiness is always in the present. Somebody told me that if you had the option to always go into the future, like, imagine you wouldn't have to wait for the future. The future will happen like now. Isn't it interesting how we probably in a life, maybe it would be in some kind of simulator, who knows, maybe it's possible, we jump into all our futures of pleasure, of achieving our dreams, of doing exactly what we want. I wonder then if that would become like a nightmare, because we wouldn't have anything to look forward to. We wouldn't have any suspense going forward in our life, because we would just teleport into the next thing we want to do. With all this technology coming up, who knows where we're gonna get trapped as humans. This is why walking is so good. Spoke with a Spanish lady that retired recently, early. Very interesting, because I was thinking about this. She retired as early as she possibly could. She had a lot of money on her bank account, but she just realized that she needed the time more than money. So this was her first thing she had arranged for her retirement. She had booked everything and she had done her luggage transfer in between, but she was very well fitted and trained also. She told me that she trained before this, and she said, like I knew, that a lot of people get stuck here with a well paid job, making money, and in some way see the money as pleasure. Her friends, some of her friends had been working to 70, and they all had gave her the same advice: retire as fast as possible. You can. Nice chat we had for 20 minutes. She actually dropped the little, my English again. She dropped a part of her walking stick, so I gave it to her. Cut off with her hair. It's yours. Yeah, thank you. We all spoke Spanish then and kept talking, so it's so easy to get a conversation started here. Ooh. I gonna walk down to Elena, I think the name is. I'm not preparing anything for this. I don't even know where I'm going. I don't know the name of the cities. I just follow like day by day and book day by day from now on. So I might say something wrong here. I will have to correct it, but that is important for me. That belongs to that spontaneous thing. I thought I was ready to walk like 40 kilometers a day, but we're gonna end at 25 again. Because I did find a good place to stay at, a private in a budget. And the sun. I can feel the sun in my face right now after a full day of sunshine. Whew. Let's see if I'm red. A bit. What's the name of this city where I'm going to stay? This is a 34 euro budget room. No, I got 3 upgrade because they were out of rooms. But it's very nice, so here's the plaza.